NFTs are revolutionizing the digital landscape, and you don't need to buy them to profit. First, consider becoming an NFT creator. If you have artistic skills, platforms like OpenSea allow you to mint your work for free and earn royalties on resales. Not an artist? No worries. Freelancing in NFT design or marketing is a lucrative option. Businesses are on the lookout for talent to help them thrive in this space. You can also dive into play-to-earn games, where you earn NFTs just by playing. Games like Axie Infinity reward you with valuable items that can be sold. Another strategy is flipping free NFTs from giveaways. Follow NFT communities to snag these opportunities. Lastly, if you enjoy sharing knowledge, create NFT content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. As your audience grows, so can your income through sponsorships and ads. There are countless ways to tap into the NFT market without spending a dime.